Hello friends, today's topic: after this election, 6 sectors for high future profits. A report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Now that the uncertainty of the elections is reduced and it is clear that NDA will form the next government under the leadership of Narendra Modi, markets have started to rally once again. Analysts are of the opinion there could be some changes in the ministers as well as the focus of the government may be modified slightly. Before the election results, most brokerage companies were bullish on energy, capital expenditure, travel and tourism as these sectors were expected to benefit post-election due to the policy continuity under the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance (NDA). The following information is per an article on moneycontrol.com. India investment themes. What next? The following investment themes will stay in focus in the new government's tenure. Number one, solar power. As per experts, both traditional and renewable power sources will be in focus. Power will be required for electric vehicles, electrification of railways, and also for data centers. Also, the government initiative for solar rooftops will continue to be huge growth opportunity. So solar energy could be major beneficiary in the coming few years. Stocks in focus: Power Grid, NTPC, ONGC, Adani Green, Reliance, Suzlon, NHPC and Coal India. Second sector, manufacturing, semiconductors and electronics. China continues to be global hub for manufacturing semiconductors. However, the Indian government has been taking initiatives to encourage this segment. Currently, there are limited options in terms of listed stocks within this space, but experts see significant potential for growth over the long term. Listed companies that could be in focus include CG Power, Tata Power and HCL Tech. 3. Agricultural infrastructure. Agricultural infrastructure will be in focus such as greenhouses, irrigation and harvesting units. Also, transportation of agricultural produce will be important. Due to the expectation of above normal monsoon, agricultural sector growth may be good this year. Stocks in focus: NBCC and Kirloskar Brothers, Snowman Logistics, Gateway, Distripax, etc. Fourth sector that may benefit a lot in the future could be Make in India defense equipment. The new government is expected to encourage the Make in India initiative for defense equipment. This has been the case for the last 2 to 3 years. We need to see what is the allocation for defense in the budget in July 2024. Stocks in focus: HAL, BEL, Bharat Forge and Bharat Dynamics. Fifth sector, hydrogen cell technology. Under the National Hydrogen Energy Mission, the government aims to establish India as a global leader in the hydrogen economy through research, development, deployment of hydrogen fuel cells for various applications, including transportation. There are government incentives for hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, encouraging manufacturers to invest in this technology. Stocks in focus. There are stocks which are only into the business of hydrogen cells. However, some companies which have entered this segment are NTPC, Reliance Industries and L&T. Sixth sector is domestic travel. As you know, more and more people are traveling within India for vacations. Also, government is spending money to develop infrastructure in various popular tourist places. Stocks that could benefit Lemon Tree, ITC as well as travel software companies like RateGain. At the end of the video, here is the question. As per our opinion, do you think this coalition new government will have less freedom to take bold decisions have been taken in the last 10 years? Yes or no, even type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.